Marina, let's go and take them around Boca Raton.
We're going to take you on a journey, one community at a time.
So what is this one called? Lakewood Oaks. Okay, perfect. Let's go.
This specific house is going to be 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,300 square feet. Let's see what it looks like inside.
Let's go.
Let's see what the house looks like on the inside.
Let's go. Wow, that's a nice open concept.
Notice the lake view and the pool. The house was built in 1984. There are about 92 homes in this community. HOA is $129. It's not a gated community, but it's highly desirable because it's located in the San Andreas corridor.
Can we look at the kitchen? I know a lot of women are going to be interested to see the design, the appliances, and all that good stuff, right? What the kitchen has to bring.
The desired white cabinetry and stainless steel appliances are visible. And the view of the lake certainly helps.
Right there, right? You're washing dishes and you're enjoying the view and watching your kids in the pool. Perfect. It's a perfect setup.
Let's see what the bedrooms look like. Let's start with the primary. Good size.
That's a master, right?
That's a primary. You don't call it master anymore.
Okay.
You have hers and his, or his and hers, or his and his walk-in closets. A big bathtub.
Very nice size.
And a separate toilet.
And that bathroom and the toilet has a door and a way out.
No,
Awesome.
it also has a shower. So this is what we constitute as a cabana bathroom.
Very cool.
Let's see what the remainder of the bedrooms look like. Option number 1. Option number 2.
So they're about the same, right?
Give or take about the same size. They do have a bathroom that they share, ideal for the kids. And the final bedroom number 3. This one is bigger than the rest.
That's good for an office or something, right? You could see right outside. You are working in your office. You could see people walking by, cars passing by. Awesome. So let's talk about the pricing specs. What is this? They asking for the house? What do the houses go for in this neighborhood?
The price for the house is $1,050,000. This is pretty much the general price where the houses are in this community. It's around from $900,000 to $1,001,000. That seems to be the spec of the houses. Most of the houses are going to be 3 to 5 bedrooms, 1 story, meaning that it's a ranch house, and they're going to be around the lake, man-made lake.
We're going to step outside, take a look at the beauty of Boca Raton. So they do have outside kitchen. Look at that beauty. As for those who like to cook outside, perfect setup. Decent side yard.
And there's a jacuzzi.
Okie doke. Do you want to start talking about schools and things to consider? Schools.
So this community is very desired for the reason that it's non-gated. You do have ability to pretty much park whatever car you do want, bike, or if you want a trailer, that does give you that opportunity. It does belong to the 3 desirable schools that are in the area of Central Boca, which is the Blue Lake Elementary, Omni, and Spanish River High School. Also, the HOA is very low, $129. You don't have the pool or the clubhouse, but at the same time, you also are not paying the absorbent amount of money for the HOA that all the other communities will show you will have. Give and take.
All right, guys. And don't forget to sign up for our new channel. And we will post videos probably weekly or as soon as we can.
If you want to see this particular house, give me a call.
The number is right here.